how to get more marks within the short span of time, where and how to start the preparation from now. So these are all the questions from the student side over the past 2 weeks. The answer is very simple, but before going to the answer, welcome to my channel Inspiring Brains. So this is Hari, completed physiotherapy, currently doing 3rd year MBBS and a part-time biology faculty. So the answer, how to get more marks or doubling the marks within the short span of time. The simple answer is attend the grand test. See, one or other way you will have to complete the entire NCERT, right? So attending the grand test will help you to double the marks. How? First, so every chapter will be having 2 to 3 questions in the grand test on the total test, right? So attend 10 to 20 grand tests before attending your main exam. So 20 grand test, which means for every chapter you're going to attend 2 to 3 questions, so which means 40 to 60 questions from every chapter. And basically how the grand test is made is the prediction. So how they will ask the questions in the near exam. So this will be the prediction for every grand test. So attending 60 questions, which makes you to near the actual questions in the exam, right? For example, if I'm attending the 60 questions and at the end or in the main exam, at least 2 questions out of 4 may be from this, and at least 10 to 20 questions out of 60 from this. So this is a jackpot. So even attending the questions itself will double the mark. But in order to increase your success rate, what you have to do is first attend the question paper. Then after getting the key, sit down and actually take all the necessary steps, which means the subjects or the chapters which you studied well will be wrong in the question paper, right? You have to take the notes from that and just copy in your notes or in the book so that you can revise it frequently. So this is how you have to revisit the question paper, so that I just mark all the wrong ones in my notes or in the book. So in the near exam I can revise all the portions. So whatever I studied, even I studied one chapter, I can attend that question in the NEET 2022 without wrong. This is more magical than studying the entire chapter for the exam and losing your marks. It's very simple. Getting the correct one for at least 5 questions is more important. So mark the words, attend maximum grand test as possible. And to increase the chance from my side, what I am doing is I'm just taking some grand test for every week. So for example, every Sunday you will be having some grand test. The details will be given at the end of this video, right? The second question from your side is where and how to start. Many of the students are asking me, sir, I'm just confused. I just don't know where to start and how to start or how to study because of the lagging portions of all the things because of COVID. So what I personally tell is just start with the 12th portions. That's very important. Go with the NCERT. Second important point. Third is revise frequently. Revise frequently. This is what I covered in all the videos, but still many of the students are lagging in this part. That's because you need someone to push into each chapter, right? Again, I just worked for all the things. So all you have to do is just join in my Telegram group, and in the Telegram group I'll be putting schedules like where to start, from which chapters to start, and which is the high weightage. So basically what I'm planned or scheduled is I just go from high weightage chapters in the 12th and also covering the easily studied chapters. When I covered everything in the 12th, then I will jump on to the 11th to cover the remaining portions. So easy portions and more marks portions. So in the span of 1 month we can cover maximum portions. So I have scheduled for all the chapters. So from the student side there will be a question, sir, I don't even study these chapters. How can I fit into your schedule? The answer is very simple. You just follow the schedule for each day. Each day I'll be updating a schedule. You just try to study the chapter. And if you find the chapters too difficult or you doesn't know a single point, no worries. No worries. Just study 2 to 3 pages from that part. It's okay. It's okay if you study 2 to 3 pages. And then you can again follow the next day schedule. So at least what is my concept is, if you are a repeater, you can cover 100% of the portion in the 30 days. And if you are a fresher or even if you are starting from now, you can cover at least 60% of the portions, that too in a more revisable and a scientific approach. So I have planned all the things. If you want to join in that, just go to the link that is given in the description below and join in that, right? We're having some specialized schedules and there are some rules to follow, because when I give an apparent schedule, anyone can follow, and the most important thing is you can't get the fruit from it. So how I scheduled in such a way that there are some strict rules that you should follow so that you will be benefited from this, right? And finally, there is a giveaway for every participants, right? So for one lucky winner, you'll get a stethoscope, and for 20 winners, for the 20 persons who completed the task, I'm just giving a personalized schedule. I'll just talk with them personally and give you a personalized schedule, like what are all the chapters you're ready with it. For example, many of the students know the theory of electrostatics in the 12th, but that is not going to help in the NEET or NEET exam, right? So I just give a personalized selection of chapters based on your aptitude so that you can easily concentrate and you can easily get the marks, right? And the second important thing is you can also get my notes, my biology notes for important chapters, so that you can cover in all the things. So this will be for 20 members, and for the next 30 members, I'm just giving my biology notes for the important chapters PDF. So the rules for the giveaway will be given in the Telegram group. Just follow this to increase your success. And if you want anything to be answered by me, just put it in the comment box below. We'll solve it in the next video. Thank you.